But after we have the meeting here, I have already explained that means the situation of pharmaceutical industry in Indonesia, now is the time they can buy the new machinery, even maybe from Germany, because now the situation is better.
The processing and packaging industry in particular is an area where Germany excels, offering cutting-edge technology, efficiency-driven solutions, and a strong commitment to sustainability.
Collaboration between German technology providers and Indonesian partners can lead to sustainable development and innovation that meets the growing need for high-quality and environmentally friendly solutions.
A big thank you to EKONID, first of all. I have to say that it's a well-run event here where EKONID is in fact invited, let's say, industry partners from different packaging federations, industry leaders, all around one table to exchange ideas and to become a really nice platform for industries to engage and exchange in business activities and create future relationships. I highly recommend this for those who are looking to enter the market as a gateway into business, because it is nice to meet everyone, find that this is a very pleasant setting to do so.